Let me congratulate Jug for coming on with the book as Dr. Sahani said, it's a very small book. So normally when you tend to read about somebody, you said, oh, this is going to take a lot of time, it's going to be boring. And I saw it 100 pages, I said, hey, this is good to read. And normally books like this are boring, but honestly I loved the book for two reasons. One is, of course, Nadella is somebody whom when you start reading, you think, oh, he's an Indian he's somewhere next door, I know him. That sort of feeling comes inside you and that makes you feel good. And two, it's a case study of Microsoft Apple. How Microsoft, after Bill Gates, did go up in revenues, but not in market cap. And in fact, it underperformed the market. And clearly indicating the world today wants innovation, and innovation not once in 5 years, almost innovation, if not every year, at least once in 2 years. So it clearly is a case study of Microsoft, which all of us during our young days have admired it, that's the company to be in, and reading that you understand today the world has changed, and somewhere the admiration for the company has been taken away by other companies like Google, etc. But nothing, I don't think they have lost it. And Nadella has a challenge in front of him to make it happen. And you can clearly see parallelly as Microsoft market cap remains the same or it is losing that ground, Nadella's rise within the company. It's a very beautiful, it's a contrast of how Microsoft is being there and Nadella really going up the curve in that company. And of course, how he was selected among others to be the CEO is something really interesting to read because subject to what you read in the newspapers or here and there, it really brings out the fact that he was clearly there. And I believe it's always very difficult for somebody inside the company to become the CEO. It's a normal tendency that I accept somebody from outside as my leader. I don't accept my colleague as my leader. But he's managed to do that and clearly is the fact that he's willing to learn and is a people's man. That's what at least you also seem to say that. Clearly brings out why he was selected there. And there's a challenge in hand, especially because it's a company which is the 5th largest market cap company and a lot of expectations out of him globally. Now coming back to your question, I think it is, as Indian, as rightly said, you feel proud. One more Indian who has made it. India is known for its software, and when some Indian starts heading a company like Microsoft, you really feel excited and proud about it. And I think it will definitely, as Mrs. Sahani said, give a lot of inspiration to young students of today to say, I can be him. All this time, you always used to say, I can reach here but not there. And today is a technology world, and they correlate to that very faster than anything else. And he's not one of those, when you look at him, feels like, no, I can't be like him. He gives a feeling, I can be like him. And that makes all the difference. And I should congratulate Jug for writing it so well, that when you read it, you feel, as she rightly said, I will definitely make my son read it. Because it's easy to read, it is not heavy on you, and it's a motivational book.
Thank you so much. And now to the man.